Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background or how you can cut out a non-human objects in a video or photo using CapCut PC. So by a non-human here, I mean like a cartoon character or an anime like this one's right here. So I have this character that I want to remove its background. So I want to cut out only the character in this photo. So if you want to do the same, just follow this step. So here, first that you need to do after you add the photo or video into the timeline, go to the remove background under the video here, and then not use this auto removal, but use this custom removal because the auto removal can only be applied to a human figure. So let's enable this first, and I'm going to just use this smart brush to make it easier. Click on this. Here you can change the brush size if you want to, and then just brush the character that you want to cut out like this. You can see it will be selected, and now you can just click on apply. Just like that, it will be cut out or the background will be removed. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe also for more. Thanks. Bye.